Andy McCarthy, contributing editor at National Review. He wrote an article about this topic. It's very, very informative. Highly recommend it. Called "ICE Obstructing Democrats Have Lost Their Minds." And that is why we're talking about it today with him. But you end that article talking about this Wisconsin judge, Hannah Dugan. Is that an open and shut case? She was, moving illegal immigrants out the back door of the courthouse. I mean, come on.
Well, it's only one illegal immigrant, but I don't think it's as open and shut a case as a lot of the commentary does. And I guess I'm in a minority in this, but the thought that she doesn't have a defense, I think, is way, way overstated. And I always have to preface this by saying I find what she did reprehensible, and I hope the jury convicts her if there's a case. So don't misunderstand me. It's not like I'm rooting for her, but I used to do this for a living, so you have to try to anticipate what they're going to say, right? And I have to tell you, I was a deputy United States Marshal for a few years before I was a prosecutor, and we did court security and that sort of thing. If you turn this equation around and you had, say, the New York City police wanted to arrest someone and they heard that the person was going to have a hearing in federal court on some other case, so they just decided to show up at federal court and put the cuffs on the guy outside the courtroom, the federal judges would go crazy. And the federal authorities would go crazy, because what you're supposed to do in these situations is, you talk to the court officials, you talk to the court security people, you let them know you're coming. In most states, with respect to immigration enforcement, there are understandings between the feds and the state about, what the feds are allowed to do on state facilities in order to enforce the federal law.